Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to tell about my trip experience in San Andres. Then, I'm going to tell about the weather in San Andres. And to finish, I'm going to give you some recommendations if you go to San Andres. Okay, let's start. This is my name is Miguel Ángel Quintero. I am from Granada Meta. I am teacher mathematics. I am married. Here we see my family. These are the picture. There are my brother. There are my grandfather. There are go workers. Those women are my mother and my grandmother. They are very good cooking. Okay, let's continue with my trip experience in San Andres. I went in the company of my wife. We bathed in the Sea of Seven Colors. We visited the High Cape Morgan, the Island Rocky Cay, the gastronomy rice with stream. We were 12 days. The weather is warm. In summer the days are beautiful and in winter they are sad very right. There are several things we should think about before travel to San Andres. We should think about the expense. We should think about the clothes we are going to use it. We would recommend you think about when you should make to the trip. It's better not to carry a lot of luggage. It should not carry too many electronic devices. You should think about not using too many hardware. I must take a walk in the morning. It's better that they do not walk alone on the island. Okay. This is a place you must visit at lesson 1 in your life. You should think about travel expenses and also think about when to travel. People should go with short sandals and sunglasses. You must use sunscreen. You should not drink so much liquor. It would be better if you do not take so many days on holidays. You should visit the clubs and restaurants. Very good. You should go visit the island of the cross or the church. You should not throw garbage into the sea or the street. Remember that you should not throw garbage because it's one of the most beautiful places in Colombia. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.